Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into the Volkswagen Passat B9, a car that has been a staple in the mid-size sedan segment for decades. Whether you're a longtime Passat enthusiast or just curious about what this latest generation has to offer, this video has got you covered. So, buckle up and let's get started. The Volkswagen Passat has always been known for its perfect blend of comfort, practicality, and understated elegance. With the Passat B9, Volkswagen has taken things to the next level, offering a car that's more refined, tech-savvy, and efficient than ever before. While the B9 is not available in all markets, Volkswagen has shifted focus to SUVs in some regions. It remains a popular choice in Europe and other parts of the world. The Passat B9 boasts a sleek and modern design that stays true to Volkswagen's timeless aesthetic. Here's what stands out. Sleek silhouette. The B9 features a longer wheelbase and a more aerodynamic profile, giving it a premium and sporty look. LED lighting. Standard LED headlights and taillights not only enhance visibility but also add a touch of sophistication. Elegant details, chrome accents, a bold grille, and clean lines make the Passat B9 a head-turner without being overly flashy. Step inside the Passat B9, and you'll immediately notice the attention to detail and premium feel. Spacious cabin. With its mid-size dimensions, the Passat B9 offers ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it perfect for families or long road trips. High-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, leather upholstery, optional, and wood or aluminum trim options elevate the interior experience. The Passat B9 offers a massive 650-liter trunk, which is one of the largest in its class. Fold down the rear seats, and you've got even more room for luggage or gear. Volkswagen has packed the Passat B9 with cutting-edge tech to keep you connected and entertained. Digital cockpit. A fully digital instrument cluster, up to 12.3 inches, provides customizable displays and essential information at a glance. The centerpiece is a 9.2-inch touchscreen, depending on the trim. With Volkswagen's latest MIB 3 software, it supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands. The Passat B9 comes loaded with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking, making it one of the safest cars in its class. The Passat B9 offers a range of engines to suit different driving preferences. Options include a 1.5-liter TSI with 150 horsepower and a 2.0-liter TSI with 190 horsepower. Diesel engines. For those who prioritize fuel efficiency, there's a 2.0-liter TDI available in various power outputs: 120 horsepower, 150 horsepower, and 190 horsepower. Plug-in hybrid. The Passat GTE is the star of the lineup, combining a 1.4-liter TSI engine with an electric motor for a total output of 218 horsepower. It offers an all-electric range of around 55 to 60 kilometers, 34-37 miles, making it perfect for eco-conscious drivers. Transmission. Most models come with a smooth-shifting DSG automatic transmission, though a manual is available on some lower trims. The Passat B9 is designed to deliver a comfortable and composed ride. Smooth handling. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and imperfections with ease. Excellent sound insulation ensures a serene driving experience, even at highway speeds. With its range of efficient engines, the Passat B9 is a great choice for those looking to save on fuel costs. Volkswagen has always prioritized safety, and the Passat B9 is no exception. This suite of driver assistance features includes adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and traffic sign recognition. Multiple airbags, including side and curtain airbags, provide comprehensive protection. Parking assist. The Passat B9 makes parking a breeze with its 360-degree camera and automated parking system. The Passat B9 is available in several trims, each offering a different level of features and luxury. Comes well equipped with standard features like LED headlights, dual-zone climate control, and an 8-inch infotainment system. Mid-level trims add extras like larger wheels, a digital cockpit, and premium upholstery, Includes everything from heated and ventilated seats to a premium sound system and advanced safety features. Pricing varies by market, but the Passat B9 remains a strong value proposition in the midsize sedan segment. Timeless design, it's elegant without being flashy. Practicality, spacious interior and massive trunk make it perfect for families, packed with the latest features to keep you connected and safe. A range of engines, including a plug-in hybrid, ensures there's something for everyone. The Volkswagen Passat B9 is a testament to Volkswagen's commitment to quality, innovation, and practicality. It's a car that appeals to a wide range of buyers, from families to business professionals, and it continues to set the standard in the midsize sedan segment. If you're in the market for a car that offers a perfect balance of comfort, technology, and performance, the Passat B9 should definitely be on your short list. That's it for today's video, folks. What do you think about the Volkswagen Passat B9? Would you consider it for your next car? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Auto Trends Today. Until next time, stay tuned for more automotive insights and reviews. Drive safe, and see you on the road.